Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Kaleidos Futurism 6 Lunar Lavender eyeshadow palette. This is the 6th palette out of a 7 palette series. I actually have the 4th palette, but I can't find it online anymore, so I'm not sure if it has been discontinued, but let me know if you guys are still interested in seeing swatches for that palette. So this is a 6 eyeshadow pan palette that retails for $24. In the palette, you get 4 mattes and 2 shimmers that kind of look like metallic shades. These are 6 full-size eyeshadows in a cardboard packaging. The palette has a magnetic closure and a good quality mirror. I added a clip in this video unboxing the palette so you guys can see how creative this brand is with their packaging. When I did my swatches, the 4 mattes in the palette were soft and pigmented. They all swatched evenly and pigmented. I was very impressed with the purple shade, which is Wisteria. Since it's a matte pastel pinky purple shade, those type of shades tend to be a bit patchy, but this one was pigmented and swatched evenly. All mattes in this palette blended smoothly without any issues. For the 2 shimmers, both were gorgeous duochrome shades. They were creamy and pigmented. So overall, I definitely recommend this palette if you like the color story. I didn't have any issues with any of the eyeshadows, so I definitely recommend it. If you are planning on buying these palettes, I would recommend getting their bundles to save some money. This palette was sent to me for free in PR, but I'm not getting paid to film this video, and everything said is my true honest opinion. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.